Today we are going to tackle one of those Excel classics. A table that looks organized, but Power Query takes one look at it and says no. We've got two data blocks, one called units and another called availability. Each has items, categories and several number columns, and our goal is to combine both blocks into one clean list, something Power Query, PivotTables or Power BI can actually understand. This kind of transformation is extremely common when you get reports exported from ERP systems or copied from multiple sheets. So let's see how to fix it step by step. On the left you'll see the column names, like problem, column 1, column 2, etc. And you'll probably notice that units and availability aren't in the same format as the rest of the rows. They're kind of section headers. That's your first clue that we will need later. Go to Add Column, Conditional Column. So let's identify the section headers. We want every row to know whether it belongs to units or availability. To do that, we'll create a helper column. For the condition, if column 1 is null, then we take the value from the problem column, else null. Click OK, and now only the section header rows, like units or availability, have a value in this new column. Everyone else is null for now. That's fine, we'll fix that next. You can also use custom column and write the formula manually. Same result, just depends on which style you prefer. Now we'll fill down those group names so that every data row inherits its label. Select the created column and click Transform tab, Fill Down. Power Query will copy the last known non-null value down the column, so all the rows under units now say units, and all those under availability say availability. Perfect. Now every record knows which section it belongs to. Whenever you have a repeating block pattern like this, fill down is your best friend. It saves you from writing messy conditional logic later. Here comes the magic moment. We've still got multiple numeric columns like column 3, 4 and 5. Those represent values that should be stacked, not spread across. Hold down Ctrl key and select these 3 columns. Then go to Transform and click Unpivot Columns. And now all those separate columns collapse into 2 columns. Attribute, which holds the original column names, like column 3, 4 and 5, and the values, which holds the actual numbers. Now you've got one row per value, the proper structure for analysis. Actually, we don't really need the attribute column, just remove it. And that's how you turn ugly multi-section Excel tables into beautiful tidy data, all thanks to Power Query. And don't forget, the more likes the video gets, the more challenges I'll cover in future tutorials. See ya!